Hello everyone, Ekabo, and welcome to Learn Yoruba with me, new episode. Today we're looking at episode 11 and we will learn how to count from 10 to 20 in Yoruba. So if you remember our last episode, we looked at 1, okan, 2, meji, 3, meta, 4 is meri, 5 is maru, 6 is mefa, 7 meje, 8 was mejo, 9 meson, and 10 mewa. So counting from 11 now, we're going to add 10 plus 1 is 11, which is mokonla. The mokon means 1 and la means to add to. Again, mokonla. Following this sequence, we will then count from 11 and upwards. 12 is 10 plus 2, which is meji la. Meji means 2 and la is to add on to. Meji la. 13 is 10 plus 3, meta la. Meta is 3 and la is add to. So 14 is again 10 plus 4, meri la. Now 15 we're going to be subtracting. Me dogun. The me is like maru 5 from 20. 5 from 20, me dogun. So 16 is 20 minus 4, meri di logun, 4 minus 20. 17 is 20 minus 3, meta di logun, 3 from 20. So 18 is 20 minus 2, meji di logun. And 19 is 20 minus 1, okon di logun. So 20 is ogun, 30 ogbon, 40 ogoji, 50 adota. So for all other numbers, just keep practicing, follow the sequence, and you will do it. Practice makes perfect. So good luck, keep practicing, and if you like this video, please like this video, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you everyone for another episode together learning. I'll see you guys next week. Odabo. Goodbye.